ezukhula inkululeko iya ngokunciphela. Yabona nje ebuncaneni bakho ungakalawulwa, ungakashayelwa umthetho ukuthi yini okumele uyenze, kumele ubehave kanjani. Usenenkululeko, use-free, wawukwazi ukuthi uzigojele iphepha kamnandi kanje. Yabona nje leli khekhe leli kade ngilidla la, limnandi leli khekhe to the extent yokuthi I feel like coating this paper as well. Kodwa ngoba manje umuntu izinqumo zakhe sezi-tainted, akusezona ezakhe, ungaqamba nje amanga wena uthi zonke izinqumo uyithatha ezakhe wenzela abantu, unamanga. People first bazothina abantu syndrome. Yabona ke ezukhula inkululeko ngokuyiyancipha. Ebuncaneni bakho usukunenkululeko yokwenza kanje noma inini noma ikuphi, bese bakutshela hey wena yenziwa leyo nto phambi kwabantu, ayenziwa lo, siyalawulwa. Can I be me? Can we be us without people's interference kuma decisions ethu? Uyazi khona umuntu okethi I don't care, I'm gonna do what I do. Yeah, those people sometimes it's annoying mawubabona abantu abawo IDC, abawo I don't care. It annoys you because when you used to please people kuma decisions akho, and mawubona umuntu ofree uba threatened. Mawubona umuntu ofree uthi hey akayiboni ukuthi uba ngisidini, hayi akanendaba nawe, go bother yourself, akanandaba nawe, wenza into ayithandayo, phuma kuye wena, yabo. And-ke wena ngoba ngasonke isikhathi before uthatha i-decision qala ucabanga abantu, that is why ke uzohlezi uthatha ama-decisions angakufavor later on, bese uthi hey yazi ukuba ngithatha ngale decision bengenzela abantu nje, kodwa khona into engitshelile ukuthi angingayenzi lento, yabo. Kodwa umuntu uya-check-a kahle, it was not your decision. It's because when you were conditioned and programmed how to do things, yabo. Yeah, so let us go back to deconditioning when it comes to decision making. I-authority ingaphakathi ne, ayikho ngaphandle. Authority ingaphakathi ayimnandi nale mpahla. I-authority ingaphakathi ayikho ngaphandle, okusho ukuthi abanye abantu bazofila kanjani. If it's right for you, then do it, as long as it is right for you and it doesn't hurt another person, then embark on it, do it, yabo. Uyabona mangisuke ngiread ama-charts, kunabantu ekuthiwa kunama-channels ahlukene ngawu-3 ama-channels lapha kwi-charts reading. Khona i-channel ekuthiwa ye-individual, khona i-channel ekuthiwa ye-individual, khona i-channel ekuthiwa eye-tribe, khona i-channel ekuthiwa eye-collective. Yabo le ye-individual i-channel, laba bantu angeke beze bekwazi ukufitha uma befuna ukwenza izinto that aligns with everyone. Ngeke bekwazi, ngeke bekhona ukufitha. They are here for an individual expression. They are here for an individual expression, yabo. Ngeke beze bekwazi ukufitha. We prazo ngala, ya ngeke beze bekwazi ukufitha, yabo. Ngeke beze bekwazi ukufitha mabezama ukwenza izinto ezenziwa wonke. They are here for a unique and individual expression. They are not for the collective, yabo. So yeah, beyithi ngithinte nje lapho ngendaba yaleli phepha leli.